So today we had our Sabbath worship at home, and now it's almost 6 o'clock. So we decided to have a walk on the Roswell Riverwalk Boardwalk, so Zachary can ride his bike, and I can do a little walking, and then we can close out the Sabbath here. And Zachary's riding down there in the blue shirt. It's kind of busy. A lot of people out here walking with their dogs, walking with their kids, riding. Some people are fishing. See, there's a lake over there. It's kind of dirty, but people are fishing in it. And so we're just having a little nature walk, get a little fresh air. He hardly gets to go out and do anything these days because of coronavirus. So whenever I get the opportunity to take him outside, I try to do it, especially because I'm off this weekend. So I do this pretty much for my baby. Let's go over to the lake. Come in here. Okay, there's quite a few number of people here barbecuing and stuff. So I'm just sitting and talking. Careful, Papa. That's the lake. Just a big hole. See people on there boating. All the way over there, you see someone boating. My baby is getting so good now. He can stand and ride. He's getting so good. Okay, so this is actually the Chattahoochee River, not a lake. Earlier I said it was the Chattahoochee River, a lake, but I saw a sign that told me that it was the Chattahoochee River. So correction there. This side doesn't have any boaters, but I've seen a few boaters. I've seen a few families fishing. So I guess next time we'll try that. Right, Zachary? Next time we'll try fishing in the Chattahoochee River. We don't have to catch anything, it's just the experience, right? Mm-hmm. All right. Boating, we won't do that part. You can swim, I can't swim.
And then, because I was going too fast, and I was standing up, which I got faster, and then I was heading straight for it. So, to save myself, hold on. To save myself, I did this. And then I held my foot down and just...
You're gonna try to recreate the accident? This child of mine. I don't know if that's a good idea, Zachary. That's what you did? Okay.
Save myself.
Okay, good job. Good job, Papa.
I'm fine. No scratches. We'll be fine.
No bruises, no scratches, nothing. Hello. Look at this old muck. Someone's fishing. We just turned around from the end of the trail. Man, I'm so tired. It's cloudy. It's gonna rain, so we're gonna head back to the car. Because it's been thundering. It's been thunderstorms all week. Oh yeah, I feel a drizzle on me just now. Been thundering. We've been having thunderstorms all week. So, is someone out there again? Boating. That's a girl. She's standing up in her bathing suit with her dog on a little kayak looking. Yeah, but we've been, yeah, so it's best. Oh, yeah, I feel it. Oh, Lord, we gotta run. Oh, no, I can't run. Oh, my gosh. The car is a good distance down now. These people with their dogs. There's a whole lot of dogs over there. Oh my god. I'm gonna get wet because I can't run. So our little adventure is complete because it rained. We had to run to the car. Zachary's soaking wet and he's cold. So now we're gonna go home and get out of these wet clothes, as Jamaican would say, before we catch up cool. Lord help us. So, a lovely day.
Oh, I am cold.
You have a good time though?
Yes, I did though. I did. I definitely had a good day. It was very good until it rained.
A friend of mine told me about this place.
Head north.
Because I always tell him that you're always, you know, you like riding, and we keep going to the same little park in Brookhaven. And he was like, oh, you should take him to. My car is so low, you hear that?
In 1,000 feet, turn
You know, I get really hot really fast. Cause you know, I'm not cold. I'm kind of hot.
Turn right onto Azalea Drive.
Ooh, it rained on our parade.
But I'm glad we flew.
Continue on Azalea Drive for 1.5 miles.
It definitely rained on our parade. Ooh. So me and my mom are really hungry, so we were going to go to Jet's Pizza. Their deep fried pizza.
Their deep dish pizza.
Their deep dish pizza, yeah.
Really, really good.
Yeah, it is really, really good. So, how many more minutes, Mommy? 3 more minutes? So we're really close. So yeah, we'll come back when we get our pizza.